Construction is a rewarding career path with a wide diversity of roles, projects, and opportunities. Globally, the demand for construction projects has never been higher, and as older workers retire, the growing shortage of labor in construction creates opportunities, including greater upward mobility and higher wages for those entering the field. This course gives students a strong base of knowledge on key construction topics like safety and health, tools, construction math and drawings, carpentry, and framing. Students are introduced to the construction field, growing their interest and passion and exciting them about the possibilities in front of them.